Murag maliit ko ron sa class ba kay ulan. Hot yung weather. Kaya na ko makita si baby. So nakaabot na kong school. No? Hopefully makita na ko ron si baby. Wow! Excited na ko. Baby? Baby? Wala si baby! Wala si baby! Kasi di mo itong rong isudlan. Guys, look. Kinsay na. Good morning!
Haranahin kita, saan tayo mapunta? Kung tayo malalang, o kaya biglang may breakfast dinner.
I saw, I don't know if that was recent.
My brother.
Your brother?
Oh, my brother is here.
Looks like a girl. That's so
This a girl. Oh, she's also my cousin.
Oh.
She only studied here
cool. Yeah, of course.
one semester.
Yeah. Hi, Mom. Hey, bye-bye. God bless.
Haranahin kita,